Hi everyone, welcome back, it's me Mels. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to download Facebook videos or Reels straight to your laptop or PC with no complicated software needed. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to facebook.com. Next, find and open the Facebook video or Reels that you want to download. Next, pause the video, then right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. After that, click the Toggle Device toolbar icon. Click on the Network tab. Select Media. Refresh the page to allow the mobile version to load. Right-click on the link and select Open in New tab. Right-click on the video and select Save Video As. Rename it if you want, then click the Save button. Finally, let's play the downloaded video.